How to link Spotify account to TikTok. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this very video tutorial I will be teaching you how you could link your Spotify account to your TikTok account. For this, at first you have to launch your very Spotify application on a device. After you launch your very Spotify application on your very device, now you have to go to the next option. That is, you have to go to your very profile on Spotify. Then you can go to the option of view profile. Then you can go to the three dots on the very top side. Then go to the option of share here. And after you go to the option of share, now you can go to the option of copy link. Now then you have to close it and then you can open the very TikTok application on your device. After launching the very TikTok application on your very device, you have to go to the next option. That is, you have to go to your profile on TikTok. After tapping on the option of your profile on TikTok, now it will take you to an interface like this. Here you have to go to the option of edit profile, and here you can see the option of website. You have to go to the option of website here, and after tapping on the option of website, now you can go to the option of get started. And after going to the option of get started, now here you can see and then tap on by continuing. Now here what you have to do is you have to tap on all of those, and in the option of website you have to tap on your very website of the Spotify and go to the option of next, and you are done. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.